Good morning, guys. I'm here at CVS and I'm about to go do this Crest deal. This video is more for anyone that's just starting out doing couponing and couponing at CVS. I was telling someone about it and I would like to go ahead and just do it so the person can see how it goes. Now, this is again for CVS beginners, someone who just started out in couponing. I think this is going to be a great saving because there is couple Crest digital coupon on their app. Now, in order for you to get those digital coupon, you do have to sign up on CVS.com on your phone app, because they also have some app only coupons that you may have to apply or attach to your account. So I would suggest that you sign up on the app on your phone, and that's cvs.com, and click on all the digital coupon that you're going to need to go along with this deal. And again, there are a couple of the Crest coupons that are on the app that you can apply to this deal. Now, I also have a extra care buck, a $2 extra care buck that expiring today. However, guys, whenever I do my deals, don't look at the extra care buck, because you may have extra care buck or you may not have extra care buck. The extra care buck is just cash that is going to go towards my payment. So I don't have any other extra care buck that's going to go along with this deal. I want you guys to see the deal from start to end so you guys can get a understanding of what you guys are going to pay out of pocket if you guys do not have an extra care buck. And again, this will be most likely for beginners who's starting out and trying to have their savings starting up and get extra care bucks so they can apply to their next deal. So let's go, guys. Let's go inside and see how this works out for us. Okay, guys, so remember, guys, whenever you are going to CVS stores, you do have to go to your coupon center to print out whatever CRTs that are there. So in case if you need to apply it to your deal. So let's go ahead and print out these CRTs and see what comes out today. Okay, guys, so I did print out some CRTs, and there are some toothpaste discount or toothpaste CRTs that I have. However, again, I do have couple couple digital coupons that is on my account, and I think that those will work on more better. But as you can see, the Crest, they are all on sale, $2.99 each. So it doesn't matter which one you pick up, whatever one is your favorite, you guys can pick up. So the deal is limited to, so that means you can do the deal twice. So you get back $3 for the first one deal that you do, if you want to only do one deal, or you can do both deals at the same time, which would be picking up 4. And I have a $6 digital coupon of 4 toothpaste. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these, and they have to be 3.5 or 3 ounce and higher. So I'm picking up these. Oops. And I'm gonna pick up 2 of the scope. Okay, guys, so next I'm gonna get the Crest scope. As you guys can see, it is on sale for $4.79, and you get an extra care buck of $3. Now on the scope mouthwash, I do have a $2 off, or I'm sorry, I do have $1 off for the mouthwash on this Crest scope, but I also do have a $1 off the Crest white, 3D white. They are for $6.99, and there is an extra care buck of $4. You also have to buy 2 of these if you want to get that extra care buck. And the reason why I'm buying this, and you guys do not have to include this in your deal, especially for the starters, for the beginners, you do not have to add this to your deal. However, I'm going to add it to my deal. The reason why, because I have a 3 off $15 worth of mouthwash. So instead of me losing my 3 off 15, I'm just going to go ahead and add it. But for the beginners, what you can do is buy the Crest toothpaste again, all four. There's a $5 digital coupon for 3, and then there's an extra $2 off 1 Crest. Now you're gonna pay for the toothpaste, and when you get the extra care buck, you're gonna use it towards your bill for the Crest. Now the Crest scope I would suggest that you buy, so you can get your extra care buck, and it's a little bit less than what this one is for. Cause this one is $6.99. So for beginners, you will only focus on the Crest scope unless you have extra care buck. I'm sorry, unless you have CRTs that gonna go along with buying 4 of these. Okay, so you just buy the Crest scope. You get 2 of them if you want to, or you can get 1, but I would suggest you get the 2 so you can get your $6 back that you're gonna get from the Crest to spend on these. So you're gonna get 2 of these. They're $4.79 each, and there is a $1 digital coupon, and I'm not sure if you will be able to have CRTs. CRTs are the one them that you print at the coupon box. Sometimes when you do print them at the coupon box, they are not print. So what you can do is just add it to your card on the app, because sometimes when you print it at this, the coupon box, you don't print every CRT, and you do not want to lose your CRT. So what you do, you can click it to your app or to your account on the app. Okay, so again, I'm gonna pick up these for it to go with my 3 off 15. So I'll pick up 2 of these and I'll get my $4 extra care buck. Okay guys, let's see how they work out. Stay tuned. And then I'm using, this is for the mouthwash. I'm using, I guess that's it.
You have no paper coupons you want me to take off?
No, they're all digital.
They're all digital?
Yeah.
Okay, so I see the $2, the $5, and the $2.
Mm-hmm.
$3.66.
Okay. And I'm using this. Okay guys, so I have my $6 extra care buck that I'm gonna use towards my bill. I'm using that, and my mouthwash, and the mouthwash.
That's it?
Yeah, that would be it.
Okay, and in addition to that, I see the $6, the $3, and the $1.
Oh, I do have a $6?
You have a $6 there, $6 extra buck. Oh no, okay, that's this one. $6, the $1.
Is it $6 for the
Let's see,
the Crest toothpaste?
I see $3 off the $50 toothpaste.
Mm-hmm.
$1.05, that's this one. $6 extra bucks.
Okay.
A $2 off the Crest.
Okay.
And $1 off Crest.
Okay. Oh, so they did have a $6 manufacturer coupon for the Crest.
No, it's this one.
But it applied already.
Yeah, it was this
Oh,
one.
you ring it up already? Oh, okay. Okay, guys, so I am in my little halt corner. That's the name I gave it. Okay, so again, guys, I did this deal for beginners, and again, it's for everyone. However, for the beginners who just start couponing at CVS, what you guys are gonna do, you guys are gonna go ahead, get the account on the app, set up an account, get your account number along with your digital coupons. Everyone should be getting the 5 off 3 Crest toothpaste or mouthwash, or I'm sorry, and a $2 digital coupon off the Crest toothpaste. Now, if you have the 5 off 3 Crest mouthwash or toothpaste, you're going to use the 5 off 3 Crest toothpaste along with the digital $2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and you're going to buy 4 of these. You're going to pay for your 4. I think the amount did came down to $5 and change, and I think it was like $5.98. Now, if you guys have additional CRT, you may be lucky to get an additional CRT. On this one, as you can see, I did have an extra $2 off toothpaste, which is right here. $2 off 4 toothpaste. So I bought 4 toothpaste. This is the Oral-B Crest $5 off, and then this is the $2 off 1 Crest toothpaste. I have an additional $2 off $4 toothpaste, but I think this was a CRT, which is the coupon that you will print out to the coupon box, or you can just clip it and it add to your account or your card. So if you don't have the $2 off, you're only using again the Crest $2 off digital coupon, or the Crest, and the Crest $5 off. So in all, you're going to be getting $7 off with the digital coupons. So say you don't have all of these, you only have those 2. You're only going to pay $5.98. That included my tax. So you pay $5.98 for these 4 toothpaste only. You will take the $6 extra care buck that you're going to get, because you're getting $3 for 2 and another $3 for 2. You're going to take that $6 coupon, or $6 extra care buck, and you're going to put it towards the purchase of these 2. Now those 2 Crest mouthwash, they are on sale, and they are on sale. I'm trying to get my my receipt for you guys. You're going to pay for those. They are $4.79. So $4.79 for those. And when you pay $4.79 for those, because they are on sale, you're gonna get another extra care buck of $6. So you basically will be getting these for free. You're paying for the Colgate toothpaste. You're getting those for free because you're gonna use the extra care buck that you get from the toothpaste to pay for these 2 Crest mouthwash, and you're still gonna get $6 back. So that's the start for the beginners. Now I did also include these Crest Advance on my second bill, because I did have a 3 off $15 worth of mouthwash. So with these 2 and with these 2, I paid $11.93, as you guys can see, because I did put a $6 that I receive off my toothpaste to my bill. I had a $1 off $5 worth of Colgate's mouthwash. Wow, what is my Colgate mouthwash? Okay, and then I had a $3 off 15 oral care, and then I have a $1 off my Crest Scope digital coupon, and then I had another $2 off the Crest, which is this one, mouthwash. So in all, I spent $11.93. So guys, for the beginners, I would not include these in my deal. I will just do these only, so you can get your $6 back, which I did get my $6 back, my extra care buck, and I also did get a $4 extra care buck back on those 2. So beginners, if you want to do the toothpaste again, just do the toothpaste only. Get your $6 extra care buck. Pick up 2 of these. Put it towards your bill. you would probably pay probably the taxes, because they were $4.49 each. So I would say your bill would be $9. You're getting $2 off. Actually, you're getting $1 off. So I'll say you pay at least near $2 out of on these. But that's the money maker right there, because again, you get your $6 extra care buck. Okay guys, so if you have any questions, please put it in my comment box. I'll be more than happy to answer the questions. Subscribe and like my videos, and I will be doing some more deals. I'm not sure where. This week Publix have some good deals coming out for the week, up until from Wednesday up until next week Tuesday. So I will be doing some Publix deal. Again, I do also have my One Time BC Facebook, where we share daily deals. You guys can also subscribe to my page. There's a few questions that you have to answer, and then we will approve you. Like I said, we share daily deals on there, and we answer questions if you have any questions. Today I did have a particular questions about CVS. That's the reason why I did this for my beginners, so that they can get an outline of how to apply the coupons and what to do and what items to get. So these are the items my beginners should get. The Crest Toothpaste first, pay for those, take your $6 extra care buck and put it towards the Crest mouthwash. Do not include these unless you want to pay extra, where you get $10 worth of extra care buck on the mouthwash. Okay guys, I do want to thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Until next time, have a wonderful evening.